We're at the beach today for Tai Chi in nature. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to get our feet wet and feel the ocean water, helpful for strengthening our grounding. So Tai Chi, great for grounding. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started. Okay, you can still hear me okay? You can see me okay? Start at the top, work our way down, warming up all of our joints. So start with a little scalp massage. Wake up that brain. Wake up your forehead, your temples, your cheeks. And the back of your neck. Nice. All right, let's do some nice slow neck rotations. Circling. Find a circle that doesn't cause any cracking or crunching of the neck. Nice smooth flow. Inhaling and exhaling. Good. Switch directions. One more big circle. Nice. Let the head come up and let's circle the shoulders. Up, down, back. And then alternating. Other direction. And together forward. Here comes the water. Woo! And inhale, squeeze them up. Exhale, let them drop. Let's do 3 more of those. Inhale up. Exhale, drop. And inhale up. And exhale, drop. And one more. And up and down the legs, let the arms swing. Start to warm up the synovial fluid in the shoulder joint. Nice. And let that kind of gently come to a close. Circle the wrists and elbows towards you, as if you're gathering something towards you, gathering the waters, this is called. Good. And other direction, offering fruit. And shake it out. Good. We'll reach up to the side, inhaling. Exhale, crouch down into the center. Inhale. To the other side, exhale, crouch down the center. Last one, each side, stop in the middle. Nice, shake that out. And let the waist turn, gentle twisting. Feet stay connected to the earth. Shifting the weight. And if you'll notice, my feet are starting to sink into the soft sand. This is the same as we sink and melt into the fascia and soft tissue when we're practicing deep tissue sculpting work. So just standing here, being present, sinking and melting. Let that come to a close. Good. Let's warm up our waist with some circles. First one direction, two more this direction, and then we'll switch other direction. Excellent. Playing with some balance now. So we're going to shift all of our weight into our left leg and bring the right leg up and circle the hip. Other direction. And place the foot, pour the weight, other leg. Switch directions. Ah, sunk too deep, that one. Nice, good. Bring the feet and the knees together, hands on the thighs, circling the knees and ankles. Switch directions. Rub those knees. Say, I love you, knees. Love you, knees. Good. Then place the toe and circle. Other direction. Switch. Circle. And switch. Good. And shake that out. Nice. All right. Let's play with generating some energy. So good solid stance, soft knees, drawing the energy from your dantian up to your heart center and then pushing it back down. Imagine that your hands are moving through something thick and viscous, causing some resistance there. So create that resistance that you have to push through. Dynamic tension. Inhaling as you draw up. Exhaling as you draw down. We're going to add to this, so drawing the energy up to heart center, pushing it out, giving it to the community, to the world, and then drawing it back into you and connecting it back to the earth. Nice. Inhaling up, exhaling as you offer it out. Inhale as you take it in and draw it back, and exhale as you reground it back to the earth. Still with that dynamic tension. As you draw up, as you push away, as you draw back, as you push down. Nice. Two more. Qigong is really a breath-based meditation. So paying attention to the breath, letting the movements be easy and gentle. Nice, good. Let's do some breathing. Inhale, gather the energy. Exhale, draw it down. Good, inhale. Exhale. Coming up in the legs slightly, coming down as you condense it. Last two. Good, let's reverse it. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Last one. Catch it at the top, stretch up, 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 and over to the side. And up, 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 and over to the other side. And back up. Soften the knees, pull the belly button in towards the spine. Let's fold down. And just hang, bringing pinkies to the crease of the elbow, gently sway. Let the low back release. Knees are still soft. Belly resting against thighs. Come to stillness. And rolling up. Stacking the vertebra. Head and neck and shoulders roll back. Good. All right. Ready for some Tai Chi practice. So I will face you for the first couple, and then I'll turn around for the last two. So I think you can still see me here. Find Wu Chi. So knees are soft, heels are touching, toes out to the 45, tail tucked under, sky hook to the crown of the head, nice and tall. Roll those shoulders down and back. Let the elbows float out. Hands are relaxed. Joints are open. Energy is able to flow. Tongue gently rests on the roof of the mouth behind the front teeth. All breathing in and out through the nose. And breath comes all the way down to your belly, your dantian. All movement from your dantian. Take a nice deep inhale. And exhale, sink. Melting into that right leg. Peel the left leg up. Step. Pour the weight. Dantian faces the same direction as the toes. And then we pivot both the dantian and the toes coming back to front. Beginning. Extend the fingers out. Drawing back. And floating down. Ward off left. Ward off right. Bring finger to elbow, roll back. Press. Withdraw. and push. Sitting back, single whip. Step wide. Bring the toes around to the 45. Open to the front and play guitar. Draw back and step forward for shouldering. White crane spreads its wings as you shift the weight into the right foot. Circle the arms for stretching. Reach, step back, play guitar. Circle the arms, second breath knee. Parry and punch. Deliver that punch right to the solar plexus. Withdraw and push. Coming around to the front, front apparent closed. Hands cross in front of heart center. Good. Hands drop and beginning again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sitting into the left, turning to the right. Step. Good. Bring finger to elbow, roll back. Press. Withdraw. Push. Inhale. Exhale. Single lift. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You're going to pause here. And withdraw. And shouldering. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Nice. All right, I'm going to turn around so you can follow a little more easily. Starting with beginning. Inhaling, lift the arms. Exhale, extend the fingers. Inhale, draw back. Exhale, float down. Forward off left. Forward off right. Bring finger to elbow, roll back. Press. Withdraw. Push. Sit back, single whip. Step wide. Bring those right toes around to the 45. Open arms. Play guitar. Withdraw. And shouldering. White crane spreads its wings. Circle the arms. Brush the knee. Reach. Sit back. Play guitar. Circle the arms. Brush the knee. Carry and punch. Make your fist step. Wind it up. Step. Deliver the punch. Withdraw. And push. Coming around to the front for an apparent close. Cross hands in front of heart. Again, beginning. Ring finger to elbow, roll back. Withdraw and push. Sitting back, single whip. Step wide. Open arms. And play guitar. Draw back and shouldering. White crane spreads its wings. Circle the arm. Second brush knee. Reach. Circle the arm. Brush the knee. Step. Carry and punch. Withdraw and push. Cross hands in front of heart. And come back. Think we're good. Do a couple more rounds. Trash out of here. All right. Starting again, I'm going to face you. And beginning. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Ward off left. Ward off right. Ring finger to elbow, roll back. Withdraw and push. Single whip. Wide. Open arms. Play guitar. Withdraw and shouldering. White crane spreads its wings. Circle the arms. Brush the knee. Step and reach. Sitting back. Circle the arms. Brush the knee. Step. Carry and punch. Punch. Follow through. Withdraw and push. Nice. Inhale and exhale. So we're going to do another round with a holding round. So I'm going to invite you to stop and pause and check your bow stance now and then. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Ward off left. And pause. Check your bow stance. Do you have enough length? Do you have enough width? It should be at least shoulder width or hip width apart. Are you sunk? 70% of the weight in the front leg, 30% in the back leg. Let's continue on. Ward off right. Again, stop, pause, check your bow stance. Did your bow stance get narrow? Continue on, ring finger to elbow, roll back, press. So we're shifting weight from 70-30, back, forward again. Nice. Single whip. Step wide. Bring those right toes around. Check your bow stance. Pause. Did you lose your width? Should you have stepped farther? Did you make too much length? So it should be easy, comfortable. Open arms. Play guitar. Draw back and shouldering. Stop here. Check your stance. So now we're not in a bow stance. Our feet are actually perpendicular, and we're about 60% in the right leg, 40% in the left. So check that. Good. Now 100% into that right leg as white crane spreads its wings. Circle the arms. Brush the knee. Reach forward. Sit back. Play guitar. Circle the arms. Brush the knee. Pause. Check your bow stance. A little narrow. Widen it. Fix it. And then sitting back for parry and punch. Deliver that punch. Pause. Check your bow stance. Withdraw and push. Circling back to the front. Nice. I'm going to turn around. We're going to do one last round, just flowing, nice and slow and focused, starting from beginning. Inhale. Exhale, extend the fingers. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Step wide. Inhale. Exhale. 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 And we'll go back to Wuchi, shifting the weight into the left, turning the toes to the right, bring the heels to touch. Knees stay soft, but straighten a little bit. Soft fists on the right, open hand on the left, and we bow, honoring the ancestry that brought us this teachings and this knowledge. And just feel your body. Close the eyes. Notice, how does your body feel after that movement? Feel your feet and your connection to the earth. how grounding this practice can be. Let's inhale 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hands sit. Heart center. Close the eyes. Take a moment to set your intention for your day. Now that you got up and moved your body, feel the groundedness, the connection to the earth. Offer your gratitude to yourself for showing up, for your body for being able to move like this. And we'll close our practice with an Om salutation. Om. Thank you for joining me this morning. Always a joy and a pleasure to come out into nature and practice our Tai Chi. Have a fabulous day, a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.